Hello everyone, welcome to this video I will talking about amazing websites, how you can earn money and get money in this website. Paidera, it's a famous website to make money online for beginner, just doing a micro task. And we have a lot of way to get money in this website, like making micro task, and you can make this task, and you can in video tutorial, you can make video tutorial. Look here, like this, submit video. When you submit video like this, pick topic money, like this, make this task, and you can earn 0.35 dollars per approved video. Any video you approved, you can earn this, and you can make a lot of video about this website, and you can reward money. Here you can make another way to surveys and video surveys. Look, you can make this task, all this task. It's you can get money. Here you can show you review of your users of this. Here you can make show your proof and review of users of this website. Here, as you can see in my balance, I inscription. If you inscription or in this link of I let you in description, you can earn half dollar, just in inscription, $half. Here, look at this, in Susanna from United States of America. He said, I can't believe it. I went into two websites, fired out some survey that were fun and good paid for it. I recommended paidera.com. I love it, and I will continue to do more without leaving my home. I make a little extra money for when I got out shopping. It's too easy, anybody can do it. Look, this is review of users. Look here, earned 32 USD. Here it's Arabic one. Here, look, PayPal, $30. Look, a lot of people earn money from this website. It's a great website. Just making micro task, or submit video about tutorials about this website, completed surveys, and you can make for a referral. You can get money for referral your friends, rewards codes. We have a lot of way to get money in this website, amazing website. I leave a link in description to inscription and to get $half. Thank you so much, and I wish it's a great website to make money at home. Don't leave your home, and just in your mobile. Thank you so much, and see you guys to another idea, and to a more advice for making money online. And thank you so much. See you guys to another video and to another idea. Thank you so much.